Hello guys, and welcome to another workshop in the 3D Printing Revolution workshop series. And today we're going to be building a spoon from using Windows inbuilt 3D Builder software. So let's get started. So first, you would open the 3D Builder Windows software, and this is the opening screen. So what we're going to do is create a new scene right here. So you can see that you have these tick marks on.
You want to show them where to download it from?
It's inbuilt.
Inbuilt?
Yeah, so Windows automatically has this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I just wanted to share that you guys were able to create something like this with without downloading anything extra. So what we're going to do is going to insert an object. Oh, by the way, we're going to be making a spoon. So first, we want to create the handle. So let's first we have to click on this to resize the actual shape. We want the handle to be big, long, but we want it to be thin. So we'll shorten that. And now we can click on this to move it this way, right here. Now we have to formulate the cup or the actual sphere part of the spoon. So what we're going to do is go to sphere, and now we're going to move this, click on this, move it this way. You can, if you move or just play around with this, you'll be able to see how far you've made it. As you can tell, it's kind of hard to move it around sometimes. We want this, oops. Sometimes you have to double click certain ones. So first what we want is to cut this in half. So what we can do is you can split this in half, keep bottom. Oops, what did I do? Split, keep bottom. So this is the spoon right here, or the cup. However, what's the problem with this? What's the problem with this right here? Anyone?
It doesn't scoop anything up like that if you printed that out.
Exactly. So what we have to do is what we're going to do. Let me see. Is first, let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay. Now what we're going to do is Control C, Control V. Now we'll make this smaller like that. Now, and then we move this on top of right here. And I think what we can do, I think we can change the color to something else. Not sure why it's not working. Oh, okay. I guess that's it. Now, make sure that this is in the middle from left to right. We're going to assume that's middle. Now we move this down until you see that the layer is almost there. So you just have to move it up a little bit so that you know that only the first layer of pixels you'll be able to see as a different color, which is our one that we have to remove. And so when we're at this stage, what we do is subtract. Oh, oops. Nope. Oops. Yeah, give me a second. So we have this right here. What's should me? You were saying something? Oh, hollow. Hollow is meant for with zero infill. So it's kind of like a sphere with nothing inside it. We don't want that because we still want able to scoop something up. If you take a sphere with nothing inside it, there's no infill, and so it'll break. Does it make sense?
Oh, I figured that like Hollow allowed you to do like a percentage or something like that. That's why I recommended that. But oh, there we go.
Finally. So this is our spoon, or our scoopy part of the spoon. Now let's move this side. Now, what we can do is move this. Oops. Move this up. Now we can move this to hit the actual scoopy part, and bam, we have a spoon. Now what you want to do is Control S or save as. You want to save this as, and there's 3MF. That's the 3D builder object, and what we want is the STL. So you can save this image as spoon, new, cool spoon. We'll save that. We'll open Creality slicer. Nope. Okay, I know. Okay, let's continue.
I guess while we wait, I'll ask Shugmi and Rodrigo real quick if you know the difference between the 3D Builder and Creality Slicer, the two different apps.
No idea. I've used neither.
Yeah, the way that they work is you have an app that you use to create the model. So he just finished creating the model, and models are made in the .stl format. And then you have to bring them into a program that allows a 3D printer to print it, like this one right here, Creality. And then there's a bunch of other ones too, but you bring your model into here, and then this program knows how to cut it up into different slices so that it can print out.
I mean, it's pretty cool that it tells you what I'm guessing is the print time at the top left.
Yeah, this is the stock software that comes with the what do you call? Oh, with the Ender 3 printers, which we use. So from here, you can actually print, save, and everything because this is an STL. However, if you want to make some changes, you have to save the format as 3MF, which is the default format for the Windows 3D Builder thing, and then you can save it as a STL. So thank you guys for coming. This was our workshop, and I hope you guys were able to make and design your own spoon that you'll be able to use. Thank you, and come again next time. Please like and subscribe.